YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy NateJustDope back with another video. NJD Nation was on with it, man. You're watching Nate J. You feel me? I had to remember what channel I'm on. But yeah, man, back with another vlog, man. This is gonna be a short vlog. You feel me? Just came back in from doing my little door dashing and stuff like that, running errands and stuff. But yeah, now I'm back in the crib, and yeah, I just want to make this quick little video. Let me put my camera on the little tripod real quick. Hold on. Alright, cool. There we go, man. It's a little better. But yeah, bro, so just want to make this quick little video. As y'all see by the title, man, just basically it's a new month. I was about to say October. It's August. You feel me? It's August 5th. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Yeah, August 5th. It's a Monday. I don't know why I didn't focus. But yeah, it's Monday, man. So yeah, bro, just starting off a new month and a new week. You feel me? The 1st of August was last week. But I'm making a video today. So yeah, bro. But anyway, man, yeah, just want to make this quick little video. Well, not quick, but yeah, quick video. This ain't gonna be a long vlog at all. I kind of want to like dive into like the short vlogs and see how they go and see how y'all receive them, because with the shorter vlogs I can get out more videos. So yeah, that's what I'm pretty much aiming for, just to get like more videos out on this channel, and just so y'all can like see me more, you know. So it's not like of course, like the hour-long videos and stuff like that, those would be like videos where it's like stretched out throughout the month or like the week, which I still have content that I still haven't put together or together in a vlog, because yeah, I just fell behind, bro. And so that's why I want to start to get into shorter vlogs, so I'm not like falling behind and stuff like that and having clips left over from last month. So yeah, bro. But yeah, man, as y'all see by the title, man, I'm just basically giving you guys or letting you guys know how last month went as far as like, you know, my goals and stuff that I set, because I did, you know, make that vlog of me starting my July goals and just basically knocking them out. And a lot of the clips and vlogs and stuff that I got last month that y'all didn't get to see was me just checking some of those goals off of my list, or just getting some of those goals accomplished, you know. And it was mainly number one. Like number one was the main one that I was working on all last month, and I finally got number one accomplished last Tuesday. I want to say, yeah, last Tuesday, which was like literally 2 days before August. So yeah, number one was the selling 10 sneakers, and yeah, I accomplished that literally Tuesday, 2 days before, or really a day before August. So got that accomplished, man. So now that that's checked off, I checked that off the list, and so now number two got checked off, which was giving $100 in tithes at church. I still didn't get to number 3 yet, but I did check off number 4, which was pay off 4 of my Affirm bills. So I got those checked off, man. And so next we're going into August. So now August, I'm knocking out the last 4. Let me see. Yeah, 4 that I didn't get to accomplish last month. So which is get my retainers and my teeth cleaning. So that, and then the next one is get samples for my clothing brand, and then start paying off these credit card bills. Or these credit cards. So I got started making my list for August. And so number 1 on my list is to of course knock out the dentist goals, which was get my teeth cleaned and then get my retainers. So that's gonna cost me $700, you know what I'm saying? I'm just basically budgeting and all that stuff, bro. And then pay off my least amount credit card, which is $500. You know what I'm saying? So I got a balance of $500 on that card. So I'm gonna pay that off. And yeah, and then next, let me see. After that, I'm basically just stacking up, basically saving. And so once I get the first credit card paid off, then I'm moving on to the second highest, and then just basically doing the snowball effect, or effect. The the snowball method. I forgot who. I think it was Dave Ramsey. He has like a method of like if you got a lot of credit cards and you need them paid off, basically start from the lowest and then work your way up to the most or the credit card that has the highest balance on it, man. So that's what I'm doing. So once I get this lowest one paid off, then the next one, and then the next one, and then the next one, because I got 4 of them. So once I knock out that one, then I'm moving on to the next one, which is, let me see, the balance on that one is 750. So yeah. So yeah, bro, like I said on this channel, I'm just being transparent with y'all, you know what I'm saying, just letting y'all know how this entrepreneurship and just like working for yourself and all that stuff goes and all that good stuff, man. So yeah, but those are my goals for August basically. I still have more that I want to add to August for my goals, but those are like the main ones that I want to start off with, and then we can start to add on, you feel me, once we start knocking these things off, because these right here, these are gonna be knocked off like that, you know what I'm saying. So basically, number 1, like I said, is the dentist one, to get my teeth cleaned, and then my retainer, so I got to set my appointment for that. So I'm gonna call this week so I can set my appointment. Hopefully the earliest time or date, or yeah, the earliest date the better, you know what I'm saying. So hopefully by like the end of, well, can't be the end of this week, but probably next week, you know what I'm saying, I can go ahead and get that done, and then we can check that off, and then, you know, we're gonna start working on number 2, you feel me. But yeah, bro, so that's pretty much all I want to talk about on this clip right here. So another thing, like I said, I sold 10 pairs of sneakers last month. So if y'all see over here, I have my little sneaker boxes, my sneaker cases, man. So I gotta rearrange that. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. And yeah, just do like a little montage and like a time lapse of me just doing that. So I will do that, and then also rearrange my boxes over here too. Like, yeah, I sold 10 pairs, so it made some little holes on my shelf, so I need to go ahead and fill the gaps and all that stuff, man. So yeah, I'm very like organized when it comes to like my sneakers, or my sneakers in my closet and stuff like that, man. So if that ain't, or if that's something that you didn't know about your boy, now you know. So yeah, bro, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into that, and then I guess I'll finish off the vlog because it's about to be 6:30, so I'm not gonna like prolong the video. It's just gonna be like this quick little like hour, you know. So that's how these daily, I guess you can call them day vlogs, the shorter content vlogs, is gonna be like just me like doing whatever I'm doing for that day, and then just letting that be the video, man. So yeah, bear. So I'm gonna shut up now and get to this. So yeah. Look at all this dust. I don't know if I can see that dust, bro. Alright y'all, so as y'all see, whew, it's a crazy difference from what, last month, the beginning of last month, bro. Like I had boxes all the way up there, but now we are like this. So I was, as y'all saw, like I was kind of like going back and forth between like putting these shoes in the boxes, but I like having like some of them displayed, you know what I'm saying, like up here and then down here. Like I like this little shelf display down here, bro. Don't mind it. It's a lot of dust up there, but I'm gonna clean it. But yeah, bro, so yeah, I was just going back and forth, like deciding if I wanted to like put these in the boxes too. You feel me? But yeah, ultimately I just came to the decision just to leave them like that, like that. So yeah, a lot of these boxes would have been filled up. Like y'all see, I got 4 empty boxes down here. So as you see, I still have enough to put in there, but I just like my little display like that, bro. Oh yeah, and then as y'all see, I did this little painting. I got this canvas, I want to say about 2 years ago, and I never painted it. You know what I'm saying? So went on a little date last month, and you know, we did some canvas painting, and I was like, let me go ahead and do this. You feel me? So if y'all sneakerheads, y'all know about the Union Jordan 1s. This is the Storm Blue, or is the, yeah, the Storm Blue? No, yeah, the Storm Blue colorway with the red ankle with the orange laces or the yellow laces, man. And I just did like some gray sweatpants. You feel me? But yeah, bro. So that's pretty much it for right now, man. Y'all see the new babies in the collection. Got the UNC Jordan 1s, which these are releasing next year. But they're kind of doing them like the Lost and Founds with like the cracked leather, like that old school type feel. You feel me? So yeah, I got those though. Bam, got those last. I want to say I got those in June. Then the black suit, the bread fours, I got those. These are the OG rendition, or like the 2019 ones. And then my military blues, got those. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, those are my new sneakers in my collection. Those are like the last shoes that I purchased. Haven't really bought anything last month in July. Really, because like I said, I was like getting rid of shoes, so why would I bring shoes back right after you feel me? That's not the point of me selling the shoes, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro, so I'm gonna go ahead and end off the vlog right here, bro. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, man. Like I said, got some, oh yeah, I can't end out the video. Yeah, I gotta do this real quick. So yeah, let me go ahead and write up my write my goals on my board right here, as y'all see, and then we'll go ahead and end out the video like that, man. Alright, YouTube, so as y'all see, I just finished off with this. So this is what I came up with right now. You know what I'm saying? Well, for right now. Like I said, I'm gonna still add on more stuff once I get some of these stuff checked off. But this is just like a quick little rough draft. Like I said, it's August 5th, so I'm still thinking of things that I want to, you know, put on this list right here. But this is good for right now, bro. So as y'all see, got the money amount, the budgeting and all that stuff, bro. So yeah, man. So yeah, bro, that's gonna pretty much do it for this video right here, man. Oh, it look weird without all the boxes up there in the back. But yeah, man, that's gonna pretty much do it for this video. That's gonna wrap it up, man. Just want to make this video to just kind of like inspire somebody, you feel me, that was in a rut like me, or that was in like a place of feeling like stuck, you know what I'm saying? Last month around this time, I was on a call with More Purpose. If y'all seen that vlog last month, or the last vlog that I just posted. But yeah, a month ago I was on the entrepreneurship / goal setting call with them, and you feel me, fast forward a month later, and I accomplished one of the things that I thought was gonna take at least like pretty much all month to do, but I dang near knocked out my first goal within like the first week. So yeah, bro. And then to see where I am now, a month later, you know what I'm saying, writing down more goals and knocking down or getting ready to knock those out. You feel me? So yeah, bro, just want to inspire somebody just to, you know, if you got something in mind that you want to accomplish, do it. You know what I'm saying? And that takes me to this verse right here, this Bible verse. I always have a problem saying it, but Habakkuk, I think that's how you say it. Chapter 2, verse 2. And the Lord answered me and said, write the vision, make it plain upon tablets, that he may run that readeth it. You know what I'm saying? Basically, write the vision, make it plain. For those who will see it, will run. You know what I'm saying? So basically saying, look, if you got something in mind that's in here, that's in your mind, write it down and look at it and read it every day, man. Y'all don't know how many times I read that #1 goal on my July list to knock out. Every day I read it, and once it got accomplished, I was able to check it off, man. So literally write it down and look at it every day and use that day to just, you know, become one step, or use that day as a step to get closer to knocking that list off your, or checking that list off of your list, man. And yeah, bro, y'all will see everything that you had in here come to life in the flesh, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro, that's pretty much it, man. Just want to leave y'all off with that little nugget, man. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it, man, for today. And let me know how y'all like these short little vlogs, man. It won't always be me inside doing stuff. I'll probably like give me some vlog footage out and stuff like that, out and about, man. But yeah, I just literally thought about this today, man. So I wanted to get consistent with posting more and being more intentional with posting on this channel, man. Because y'all be wanting to see the word, man. So here I am, you feel me? But yeah, bro, if y'all ain't subscribed to my other channels, subscribe to them. They'll be linked down in the description below, man. But yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. So now with that being said, it's your boy NateJustDope signing out. Deuces.